It should be in one of those. Watch out.
So what, you didn't film anything all day?
Yeah, I filmed some. We'll see what. At least we still have your Leopold or Albert. That's the only...
It's just falling down now.
The only missing part is that I don't have the another battery.
Yes. Well, maybe we need to go behind.
D'accord. Merci. Just this memorial was erected to commemorate the evacuation of the British and Allied forces from the beaches of the Panne in May 1940. That's a movie, that's nothing really. Alright. Should Oh, one thing I need to do though.
Oh, look at that church.
Is it not the same as the one we saw? Anneke? Anneke?
So far, maybe. We are now here close to the Leopold statue.
The famous Leopold. He's sensitive to the... It's actually shot in the...
That there are some dragons or something.
It's part of the Leopold statue.
Let's go look at it. There's something behind it, so
Okay.
let's go behind and then go on top of it. That's it there. But if we go on top, we can see what the dragons. See, those are new apartments. Well,
not as new as you think. He's not the one in Congo. He's the first. The one in Congo is the second. Look. Yeah. That's him. The first was more of a still get the picture. Okay. It's still charging.
right. Now what? We go down and turn left.
Well, it depends on whether you want to know. What time is it?
It's 12:30. We can eat something in about half an hour or something.
Yes,
Have lunch.
but where?
You decide.